Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Zettle by PayPal, and I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how much does PayPal Zettle charge per credit card transaction? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. Rather than just simply showing you how much PayPal Zettle charges per credit card transaction, I'm going to show you where you can find this information because credit card transaction pricing could change at any time. But why would you want to know how much PayPal Zettle charges per credit card transaction anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. PayPal Zettle is a popular way to receive credit card payments for your business, and you might be shopping around for the best price possible. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and you can look this information up on the Zettle website. It's zettle.com. Actually, let me go ahead and show you the exact URL. It's zettle.com/GB/pricing. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the quick link there. But here is going to show you the pricing for Zettle. So at the time of the recording for this video, they are charging 1.75% per credit card transaction, and they let you know that's for all major credit cards, including American Express and mobile wallets. However, there are other ways you can accept payments through Zettle. Those do have different fees. So if you do a PayPal QR code, it's 1.75% as well. If you send a payment link and your customer pays through there, it's going to be 2.5%. And then if you are going to be sending an invoice, it's 2.5%. So it seems Zettle does not charge a transaction fee. It's just going to be the flat percentage per transaction type. Also, they do have different point of sale equipment that you can purchase. They don't really have like a leased equipment that you can buy on a monthly basis. It's going to be a flat fee. So you can actually find that information if you scroll down, and you're going to see the different types of equipment that you can buy from Zettle. So they have these customized store kits that start at 189 pounds. But if you just want like a quick reader, these ones start at 29 pounds. So these are just kind of like the little mobile ones. And then also they have the smaller version of the terminal. So to answer the question, how much does PayPal Zettle charge per credit card transaction? The answer is 1.75%, at least at the time of the recording of this video. If you happen to be watching this in the future and you know the pricing has changed, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. And if you need help determining what might be the best credit card solution for you, be sure to get in touch with me and I'll try to walk you through that step by step. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.